All right, Jams kiddos, we're going on to investigation 6B. This one's all about Newton's third law. So equal and opposite forces. So to set this up, we have our photo gates 15 centimeters apart. One car has a rubber band around it, and we have to attach them with this special car link. So here are our two cars. The orange one has the rubber band. And so what's going to be able to happen is when these two like touch each other, that band goes in, boom, and it will help launch these two cars. And this will keep them together because right now those flags are really close. Whoop, this is some bad camera angles to hitting those photo gate beams. So we want them to be like right outside the beams. So I have to get this situated perfectly for it to work. For the first part, we're just going to observe some time through the photo gates when we're keeping everything all even. So make sure you're reading these directions so it all makes sense to you. And then after we do this, we're going to get into part 2. All right, we're going to try a different camera angle and see how it works. That way you guys can see all of the data and this at the same time. So we'll see how it's going to work. So this first part, we're just observing. They have equal masses, same marbles. I'm going to move this up in 1, 2. All right. So go ahead and look at those time differences. We're looking specifically between time A and B. I'm going to go ahead and ruin that now by pushing them back. So getting it set up for a second trial. Boop. All right, ready? 1, 2, and 3. All right, so that's our second one. We're just going to do one more to view this. See, the closer I have them centered in between, the better our results will be. And there we go, last one. All right, so what do you notice about the times through each of the photo gates? Go ahead and answer part 2 on your own. There's a couple of questions here. And now we're going to be working on part 3. So we're going to do 4 different combinations with different amounts of marbles in each. So 0 and 2, 0 and 0, 2 and 0, 2 and 2. And we have our photo gate here. Again, notice that they only have one spot for the time. So we're going to do this a couple of times and average that. So again, you can edit your table to say that, or you can just do that part on paper and just write the averages. All right, let's go ahead and get going. All right, I have this set up with the orange car with 2 marbles, blue with 0. So that makes blue car A, orange car B. First trial, let's go. And can we see that data? Ooh, just barely. Don't worry about the time through A, B. That's gonna always be weird. We're just looking through time A and B. All right. Let's go ahead and do another trial to make sure that's close to the right time here. Set these up right in the middle. Clearing these times. All right, round 2. There we go. And you know what, might as well just do that third trial. So attaching this back in here, making sure it's centered. We'll restart so it's easy for you guys to see. All right, and then oops, center. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go ahead and record that data. You can calculate the speed later. Next trial is 0 marbles and 0 marbles. So I've taken those ones out. Let's go ahead and reset. It's looking good. We'll reset this. All right, trial 1 for 0 and 0. Remember, we're only recording time through A and B, so the other one you can ignore. I am taking pictures of these and I'll try to post those in this video or in a slideshow. Honestly, maybe a slideshow because some of us might be able to see these and that will shorten the video a little bit. All right, trial 2 is 0, 0. And we'll do one more. Make sure it's consistent with the way it's squeezing together here. So if we're lucky, we might have to be able, or we might be able to do this without doing any extra trials. That'd be a first. All right, 1, 2, 3. And there we go with our times for this one. All right, now it's time to add 2 marbles to car A. That's the blue car. And we're gonna go ahead and do this again. Clear this out. Trial 1 with the 2 and 0. This is the 3rd criteria. Go ahead, record those times. So I know it's a little hard to see, but hopefully we can, still see the motion of the cars and the time all at once. If not, tell me you guys hate this method and I won't do it again. All right, is this trial 2 now for this one? I think this is the 2nd trial. All right, there we go. And then we have one more trial left. One, 2, 3. All right. So last one is 2 marbles and 2 marbles. So I see 1 marble over here. 4th marble, where are you at? All right, and now for your commercial break. There we go. And I have my 2nd marble. I had to climb up on the things, the counters to get it. So this is our last condition with 2 marbles in each car. We're getting it loaded in here. Let me set the time, make sure it starts fresh for you. All right, 1, 2, and 3. So we've got our first trial. Reset. Okay, 2nd trial. And let's do 1 more. This is going by quickly. All right, 3, 2, 1. And that's our 3rd trial for the 2x2. All right, you can calculate those speeds on your own time. And then once you have, you can answer part 4. So talking about how the speeds compare and answering a few other questions. And after that, boom, we're done. So go ahead and do that on your own, answer these questions, and then you're all good. All right, bye.